This is the definition of the derivative. What the does this even mean? Let me explain. We draw a function and call it f of x. If we place 2 points on this curve, then we can calculate the slope between them as the difference in y values divided by the difference in x values. Let's figure out what these values are. First, we call the x value of the first point for x. Its y value will then be f of x. Let's call the distance between the points for h. Then the second point has an x value of x plus h and y value of f of x plus h. Now we can plug the values into the slope formula. We can see that we have plus and minus x. We can therefore simplify to h. What we have here is the slope of the secant. However, a derivative describes the slope of the tangent. To go from a secant to a tangent, we let h go towards 0. Thereby, we now have the definition of the derivative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.